Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to login Messenger app on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off and on Wi-Fi network. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Go back setting page. Scroll down. Tap on General. On the General page, scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Go back setting page. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Solution number 2. Update your Messenger app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. On the App Store page, tap on search bar. Search your Messenger app. Tap on Messenger. Update your Messenger app is already updated. Solution number 3. Offload Messenger app and reinstall it. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. iPhone Storage page, scroll down, tap Messenger app. Tap Offload app, again Offload app, and reinstall app. Solution number 4. Check your iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap iPhone storage. Check your iPhone storage. Delete unused app. Thanks for watching this video.